Hello and welcome back to Busy Beader. My name is Caitlin and today is all about St. Patrick's Day. We are going to make some super fun kind of faux shamrock earrings, but first I'm going to tell you a little bit about St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day is celebrated on March 17th each year, but the tradition of St. Patrick's Day actually goes all the way back to 1631, when the Catholic Church established the holiday as a feast in honor of St. Patrick, who is the patron saint of Ireland, which is why so many Irish motifs pop up around St. Patrick's Day, including what we're going to be making today, which is shamrocks. While you often see four-leaf clovers as a symbol for St. Patrick's Day, the shamrock is actually the traditional symbol of St. Patrick's Day because it is believed that St. Patrick used a shamrock, which is a young three-leafed clover, as a symbol for the Holy Trinity. So today we are going to make some earrings out of little green flowers, and we're going to be using 3 of them. That way it kind of gives it a little bit of a look like a shamrock. This project is super simple but fun to make, and it can be your little piece of green for St. Patrick's Day. You can find the supplies for these adorable flower shamrock earrings on my sponsor's website, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They have anything that you could need to make any piece of jewelry that you like, so I definitely recommend that you go check out their website. Link is in the description box below, as well as a link to my website, which will contain the step-out instructions as well as ideas for other projects and lots of other fun things. So you can hop on down there and see for yourself. In the meantime, let's get into making things. Step 1, you're going to gather all of your supplies and your materials. This is what the earring is going to look like when we're finished with it. Kind of a flower shamrock sort of design here. Perfect little accent of green for St. Patrick's Day. You are going to need some head pins, earring backs, 1 jump ring, these little silver beads that look like leaves, these green beads here that look like flowers, and a couple small Crystal Passions crystals here. Step 2. Put on a bicone Crystal Passions bead onto our head pin. You can pick any color green you want. I kind of opted for a variation for this design, but if you want them all to match, you can as well. Then you're going to put one of our little green flower glass beads here as well. Lastly, we're going to put one of the little leaves on. It'll look like this. And now we just have to trim and make a loop. So we're going to take our round nose pliers, and like we have on many other pairs of earrings, we're going to make a right angle. Then we're going to clip off the excess, leave yourself a little bit more than you think you're going to need, and clip. Then you're going to take your round nose pliers again. This little leaf kind of likes to slide up and down. You just got to tuck to it right. Hold it down appropriately. But we're going to go to the end here. And we are going to spin it back around. Step 3, we have to attach these to our earring loop, and we are going to do that via this jump ring here. So you're going to open your jump ring, attach all 3 of your little flower beads here. Now we're going to attach our earring loop. I chose these earring loops because they're nice and long. They kind of got a little bit of a trunk on them, and I thought that kind of made it look more like a flower too, this little piece here. And there you have it. Your very own shamrock flower earrings. There you go. Now you have a little piece of green to wear on St. Patrick's Day. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, or you can reach me on my website as well. Also, check out my sponsor, as well as everything that we used today. They have lots more stuff. You'll get super inspired just by scrolling through all of their products. These little flowers that we used today are green, but they also have them in lots of other fun colors too. So be sure to check those out. You can make some fun spring flower earrings since we're starting to get to that time of year. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you never miss a thing. And I do hope to see you in the next one.